Meaning of folklorist.
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 Folklorist. A folklorist is a person who studies and documents folklore, which refers to the traditions, beliefs, customs, and stories of a particular culture or community. Folklorists collect and analyze things like folk tales, songs, myths, proverbs, legends, and other forms of oral and material culture. They often conduct fieldwork and interviews to gather information about specific cultural practices and beliefs. Through their research, folklorists help preserve and understand the cultural heritage of different communities, and they may also contribute to interdisciplinary fields such as anthropology, literature, and history.